Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the EERO and Amazon company dual band mesh Wi-Fi system. It says fast, reliable Wi-Fi 6 for every corner of your connected home. Speed up to 500 megabit per second. Covers up to 5,000 square feet. This is the Wi-Fi F6 featuring a smart home hub. So this one was retail for $199.99, and it has like a big red sign. It shows 149. So when the staff came by and say, "Can I help you?" I was kind of asking him about that price. So he said, "Oh, if you join like a Best Buy member, you get a discount. Instead of $199, you pay only $149.99. Then he took me to the cash register, and then he scanned the product and then punch in. So after the tax and everything, it's about $217 something with tax if you just buy the mesh Wi-Fi system. Okay, so in order to get the discount, you still need to pay the $50 member's fee. Although there's another one, $179.99. So I decided to take the $50. Instead of 2 weeks return, you get a 60-day return policy on this. Anytime there's a product that you like, if you're with a member, you get a special discount with it. So you gotta go and check online after you log in and stuff. So this one is the EERO 6. So yeah, last time I purchased the MacBook Air for my wife. And one of the staff members told me it was 15% instead of 10%. So somehow she got it wrong, because when I go there today and find out why I only get 10% and instead of 15%, they said that was back in October month. So I purchased on the November 15th. They say during that time it's only 10%. So I request for the manager. First the clerk saying that there's nothing they could do, so I request for a manager, and somehow the manager override it. He says only this time, so I get my extra $37 worth of reward. That's why I go ahead and purchase this one. So yeah, long story short, I end up paying $129.98 plus a $37 reward I have. So I'm not sure why they didn't deduct it up there, so I get paid less tax. So instead of reward, they give me a gift card. Maybe that's why they deduct on the bottom here. If it was on top, then I pay less sales tax. So it turns out to be $104.35 total that I paid today, instead of $200 or $217. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick, but let me give you guys a 360 view. Wow, support 275 devices. And this is what's included. One wire EERO 6, 2 wireless EERO 6 extender, 3 power adapter, and 1 Ethernet cable. It says start here. So yeah, you need to download the app, either your App Store or Google Play Store. Wow, look at that. It's a nice foam on top of here. Pretty nice packaging. So there's a USB Type-C power adapter. Wow, very nice. That goes in here. So right here is like a, I'm not sure, reset a power button. And this is a rubber silicone for non-slip. Also, that is a wire and 2 Wi-Fi here. It's 15 watts. .5 volt, 3 amp. So yeah, my buddy used this and said it was pretty good. So if I don't like it, I got 60 days to return it anyway. So, and they come with a RJ45. And right here is the quick start guide. So yeah, you need to download the app, unplug, begin, discover. And right here's the warranty, safety and legal document. Right, who's gonna read all this mumbo jumbo? And this one's the EERO skier. So yeah, it is pretty good. We need to plug in and test it, see how it goes. Anyway, this is just unboxing. If you guys want to see the setup, please comment down below. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.